You want to start feeling like a pro at the poker table? Cool. I've got 28 quick hits that'll change how you play. Instantly. No theory, no fluff. Just real stuff you can use next session to crush weak spots, outthink opponents, and stay sharp under pressure. Let's go. 1. Attack weakness. When someone shows fear, that's your green light. If a player always continuation bets, plan your counter before the flop. Hit them with smart aggression, check raises, pressure bets, and make every decision tough for them. 2. Target the weak links. When there's a fish in the pot, isolate. Raise bigger pre-flop and keep it heads up. Your goal? Play pots against players who make mistakes, not the ones who punish them. 3. No distractions. Poker time means full focus. No phone, no YouTube, no half attention. Every detail you catch gives you an edge later. 4. Keep watching after you fold. Just because you're out of the hand doesn't mean you're off duty. Study how it plays out. What do their bets say? How do they act when they bluff? 5. Practice reading ranges. Try to guess what people hold, and check if you were right when the cards are shown. Every correct read sharpens your instincts. 6. Learn from every showdown. Rewind that hand in your head. See how they played draws, value hands, traps. That's where the hidden lessons are. 7. Take notes like a pro. Every session teaches something. Jot it down. One small note today could save hundreds later. 8. Master your HUD. Those numbers aren't decoration. Know exactly what each stat means and how to use it in real time. 9. Spot habits and punish them. If someone's VPIP is 70%, they're wild. If it's 10%, they're scared. Your HUD tells you who's leaking chips. 10. Use the HUD when you study. Look back at hands. Connect stats to actions. Patterns jump out fast when you know what you're looking for. 11th record and review. Watching your own play is brutal, but necessary. You'll catch mistakes you never noticed live. 12. Balance volume with focus. Grind for money, but study for mastery. Play long sessions when you're profitable. Short focused ones when you're learning. 13. Always have a goal. Don't just play. Maybe today's goal is better. C-bets, or fewer hero calls. One clear focus beats 1,000 random hands. 14. Sometimes play to learn, not to earn. Use low stakes or practice sessions to test new moves. Build the skill before you chase the money. 15. Choose the right tables. Real pros don't chase pride, they chase weak players. Sit where your edge is highest. 16. Study your mistakes. Mark bad hands, figure out what went wrong, and fix it. Improvement lives inside the pain of mistakes. Siebzehner tag key hands. Confusing, tilting, or just plain weird. Review them later when emotion's gone. 18. Consider your options. Every button, fold, call, raise, is a tool. Don't click autopilot. Choose with intent. 19. Identify player types. Tight, loose, passive, aggressive. Each one needs a different counter. Play tight versus maniacs, loose versus rocks. 20. Watch stack sizes. Stack depth controls how hands play out. Shallow stacks mean commitment. Deep stacks mean flexibility. 21st. Measure their commitment. Think in SPR, stack to pot ratio. Low SPR. People stick with top pairs. High SPR. They fold more. Adjust your bluffs accordingly. 22. Respect bankroll management. Discipline keeps you alive long enough to win. Don't risk rent money on variance. Stay within 40 buy-ins for cash, 100 and 200 for tourneys. 23. Use downswings to study. When variance hits, step back. Analyze leaks instead of forcing wins. 24. Fix your leaks. Find what's draining your stack and patch it up. Every leak you plug is money that stays in your pocket. 25. Exploit their leaks. Once you've fixed your own, start hunting for theirs. Most players never improve. Take advantage. 26. Be the aggressor. Pressure wins pots. Betting and raising create fold equity. Checking doesn't. If you think they can fold, fire. 27. Always know why you act. Every check, call, or bet needs a reason. Random play equals random results. 28. Play fewer hands than they do. Tight is right. Quality starting hands build long-term profits, not quantity. You follow even a few of these and you'll start thinking, acting, and winning like a real poker player. Study smart,